Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to see the serial number on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So all you have to do is open the settings, and then within the settings, simply select About Phone. Tap on that, and then scroll down until you find Detail Info and Specs. Tap on it. And then scroll down to the bottom and select Status. And then within the status, scroll down and find the model. All you have to do is tap on it. And then now you can see the serial number for your Redmi Note 14. So here it is. That's your serial number for your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it on how to find the serial number on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.